Hi guys, a quick video for Racal handset, also known like PRC radio as well. So they are made in USA, used to be a British make, but then sold to French and then probably to US. Charger Thales as well. So for sale, they are on eBay. It's gonna be just two radios with no batteries and the charger as well. So let's see what it says. Model PRC-6894, I think, maybe. It says made in USA, can't see properly, so it's the brightness. So what the good for them is also you can program from keypad, not just through the PC. So let's try and turn it on in here. So go to the menu, scroll down the menu, go to program, enter the password, all zeros. So enter, and then global is like general. Enter, you can do some changing. And so then go escape, go to channel for entry, for frequency entry. So enter. So keep scrolling down. So you can choose analog or P25. It has not just P25. Let's try enter. Digital. Enter. RX frequency. So if we enter, and then we can change it to whichever frequency you want, and then press enter. Scroll down. RX, so enter the P25 selection. Let's see what it says more. P25 normal, P25 talk group or something. So enter talk group. So you can change after frequency if you want to change, like on transmission. So well, I'm not gonna change it, so I'm gonna leave TX and RX same frequency. Enter. Oh no, escape. So low power, high power. Digital, I better change it to analog so you can speak with all the radios. Enter. Encryption. Enter. Key. Enter. See what it says. So escape. Well, guys, that's it in general, a quick one. So escape, escape, escape. So let's try to transmit in that frequency, 164. So when you transmit, you see that green gonna be red. So push to talk. Oh, it's already on encryption mode, but it seems like encryption is deleted. So let's go again on menu to delete the encryption. enter, channel, enter. Encryption, enter. So escape. So let's try again, transmission in 164 megahertz. So it's transmitting now in red, you can see. This is the short video, guys, for those model radios. So thank you for watching.